My name is Allie, and today I will show you my school accessories. This is my school bag. I keep all my things inside it. Yay, school books! I'm ready to learn. This is going to be fun. This is my notebook. I write and draw in it. This is my pencil. I use it to write my homework. This is my eraser. It helps me fix my mistakes. This is my sharpener. It makes my pencil sharp. These are my colors. I love coloring pictures. This is my lunchbox. Yummy food inside. These are my school accessories. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.